Okay, hello. I'm going to be doing a unboxing video today of my new juicer that I just got online on Amazon. So my old juicer broke, and so I had to order a new one. This one is by Aicok, and then let's just see what it comes with. All right, so warranty card. This, if you want to order this online, you'd have to look up Centrifuga in Italian. It's spelled Centrifuga, and that's how you spell juicer in Italian. So there you go. And it looks pretty nice. I paid $41.79 for this on Amazon, so that was really very reasonable for a juicer. A lot of them were much more expensive than this. So I'm going to test this out. Well, it's actually fairly big. Ooh, it has a suction cup on the bottom, so that's really great. That's much more sophisticated than my old juicer. We've got multiple speeds here, and this feeding chute is quite large, and I like the idea that you could actually stick an entire apple in here without having to slice it. So I need to figure out how to open this. And then I guess this cup goes over here. I'm gonna wash this and then demonstrate how this works. This goes there. I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe this goes in here. No, I don't know what this is. Here. Oh, this is to separate the pulp, maybe. Oh no, this is so when you pour it, the pulp does not come out. All right, so that makes sense, I think. How do you open this though? Okay, don't want to break it. Comes with a cleaning brush. And this is what the blade looks like inside. Okay, so I'm going to test this. I'm going to wash this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back. I have all of the pieces washed and I'm going to reassemble the machine. I'm going to put the blade back in. This actually comes apart. Didn't show you that before. I guess this is where all of the rinds go. Push that in, suction cup. Put this on top, align that. Okay, and I will lock this into place with this. Okay, I think that's good. And this will go here. And that will go there. I'm wondering if I should put this in now, or is that for later when I pour? Oh, I think that works. Okay, I'm gonna put it in now. Okay. Okay, so I'm ready. So what I've done was I prepared some fruit and vegetables. Didn't have a lot at home, so today I'm just making celery with apples, 2 kinds of apples. I left the seeds and the core of the apple and 3 kiwis. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the low speed, number 1. It's not too loud. Hey, that went really well. So that bowl of fruit and vegetables gave me, here it has a measuring cup, 400 mLs of juice. Nice. And just to see what happens, this is leaking a little bit. I'm gonna leave that in there. Just want to see what happens here. Wow. Oh. Okay, don't do that. But wow, came out nice. Just gonna pour this into a cup. Oh, this is nice. This is great because it holds this little divider in here holds all of the foam back. So, cheers.